Hi, folks. People have been asking for React, Cypress, TypeScript, Vite template. So we have one for create React app and Webpack variety of it. So they just wanted one with Vite. Okay. So here it is. Um, so the way you use the template is, of course, you go to the React, Cypress, TS, Vite template page, and then all you do is, like usual, I'm tethered, by the way. It's not amazing connection, but you just click on use temp. I mean, this is crazy. All right, come on, please. Yes, you can do it. Yes. All right. So you just hit use template, and then obviously your new repo name, and then it prepares that repo for you using the same exact thing from the template. So for instance, I made one here called test vt template, right? And then of course you just clone it like usual. So here I have it under the delete folder, right? Because I want to delete it later. Let's clear this. Git, git s. Now I'm adding something to git ignore, right? So just something small. I'll just fire this off so the CI keeps going. Okay. And then, so of course it has all the tooling that you'd want, like Husky, then stage, uh, all the ES settings, TypeScript, and all that. Let's see. So it did its thing. Then we'll be able to see this over here soon. So while that's going, okay, let's just check something. So yarn sci open a2e. Of course, like usual, it's just going to start the app and then start the end-to-end test. Just the port is different here, 5173 with Vite. All right, and it's your Vite application, right? And an end-to-end test. And then let's do the same thing with a component test. So the same test basically, right? Instead of sci visit, you just have sci mount, and then that's with the component test flavor of it. Boom. All right, and then you have your React testing library test. So it has just and all that set up also. So, see. All right, so that's that. And what else we got? So let's just look at the stuff. So here's your React testing library test. I think this is for all of you right now. So if you change things, the ID is going to update on the fly, right? Basically, you just click it twice and the count is like that. But this is the RTL and all of version. You have the Cypress component test here. These, as you know, these getting these types and all that, that can be a little painful, right? So you have those here now. And if there are issues, just let me know. But yeah, this was some headache to get it to work. We have your Cypress component tests under the source folder, and then the end-to-end test here, right? Of course, you have your config file, and you have your custom commands and whatnot in TypeScript, right? All those are there. Um, Besides that, I think it's all good to go, right? So you have the tooling, yarn validate will run lots of things in parallel, like linting and type check and all that stuff. And you have your GitHub actions in CI, right? It installs, does some decent cache management, does some unit testing, linting, type checking, end-to-end testing, and component testing. So let's just take a look at that. All right, so yeah, first it installs it, caches them nicely. So it looks like 30 seconds, yeah, about minute 40 seconds, you get the full feedback. They all run in parallel. The YAML has quite a bit of comments. So if you have like a dashboard or you want to enable parallelization or you have like coverage artifacts, you can just uncomment some of those lines, get those in there. So as you see, this is just me using the template. Or if you want to use it, all you do is say use template, and then you create your own repository. All right, I think that's it. I hope that helps. If there are issues, just let me know. But that's a good start. I think the most the thing that people had the most issues with, besides TypeScript and everything else, was just the component config, which is quite easy. What I can see in the future is like if someone needs code coverage with Vite, yes, we have to figure that out. I'm sure Cypress will have some recipe, but that's going to be an interesting challenge. That's all. Enjoy.